let's get it going. Quick breakdown. Um, I think we put in the weekly low on Tuesday. Monday was our weekly high up here. If I'm not mistaken, this is our weekly high. So I think this entire range is what we're gonna have for the week, unless we decide to expand today up here, and then Friday get another pullback, and we continue to expand to ATH. Now that could happen, or we created our high up here from Monday, came down, lower high, came down, lower high, and I'm expecting right now for us to expand to the downside, take out Asia low around anywhere here, create another lower high, and then just accumulate somewhere in this zone. Right now, overall, I'm still a little bit bullish, a little bit, nothing too crazy. I could still lean any direction, just because we're delivering from this 0.7 fib level of this entire 4-hour leg up. So I'm really expecting us to have that impulse up soon. Honestly speaking, we did inverse 4-hour, created a daily gap up here as well when we came down, and with yesterday as well. So honestly speaking, I want to see us inverses daily for today, for tomorrow to be bullish again. Other than that, I think we could either just tap it as well, could just tap the daily and reject, or we could just come down, touch this 4-hour, and then continue higher. That too. Again, we have a bullish SMT at the lows on the 4-hour. Here, Asia and London sessions are SMT at the low, and then we have stacked SMTs with all of these right here. And if you really were to pay attention, like all the way down here, with this one, like there's a lot of candles that are creating a lot of bullish SMTs for us to continue higher. Plus we inverse this. Yeah, I mean, higher time frames giving me bullish, but then again, we could also come down and take this liquidity from Asia on the Tuesday and seek for this 0.79. Also another 4-hour gap down here, so we'll see how this goes. No news, I think. Orange folder at 3:30, so nothing crazy. Could just continue. And yeah. Right now we're under the midnight level open. So I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna want to continue higher or lower. 5-minute super trend is telling me bearish. 15-minute super trend is telling me that this is just a pullback and that we still haven't disrespected the 15-minute gap, which is correct. We were to look at the 15-minute gap. Boom, right here we have a 15-minute gap that's still being respected. I just don't like how strong this closed past midnight level. So if anything, we might just have a tap. We'll see how he reacts off midnight level with the market open. This is still like a weird zone. I need to see us like displace. This is a nice area. BPR. This is a really nice area. This as well could be a nice area. Okay. From what it seems like, it's looking like we took out all this LR right here, stacked LR. Yeah, ES took this super strong. Yeah, so fuck it, we'll see. We're gonna listen to some PJ, see what he gotta say, and yeah, we'll keep it like that. just be an eval type of day. Just because direction today is in. I want to see us respect this to go higher, but 0.7 fib level might be it. We need to disrespect all these imbalances then. This is still like a nice accumulation zone, so I wouldn't be surprised if we actually sweep the sessions and deliver higher from here. I just want to see how we react from this right now, because we could definitely just lead the sessions as well. Alright, let's see, market opens soon. What, 2 minutes? The next 15-minute candle opens. No news for tomorrow. No news tomorrow. Alright, we're gonna hit London low soon, a lot of it. London low gonna get tapped soon, or we could either reverse from here. Sell zone on the 15-minute super trend finally. Yeah, we did inverse it. Yeah, we inverse this big gap. Boom. Now, are we gonna sweep London lows? still another 15-minute gap if I'm not mistaken here. 4-hour gap. I don't know if I should get into this short. Maybe if a continuation on the 30-second is nice. Yeah, it's too early though. I want to get into London low, but it's too early. Yeah, London low getting tapped right now. Oh, it edged it. What's on the 1 minute? There's a 1 minute. I mean, nicer pullback and I'm in. Oh, we got triple stacked lows now. Yes, bring this shit higher. Higher. If we get it up to this gap and reject, it would be perfect. I don't want to get in this. I'm not getting in this. This would have been nice. Continuation trade to the downside. But I really don't want to get in this. Still way too early. I'm in. I'm in on the lows. I'm in into the 4-hour gap. Boom, out there. Got stopped out. Should have held low key. Why do I always do that? I always take a horrible trade first. Was that 30-second displacement? No. 1 minute? Yeah, we pulled back into 1 minute here. Could honestly create a nice breaker. There we go, that would have been it. Into the 4-hour. sweep that low. Yep, a nice SMT. We're gonna miss the 4-hour again. Oh, we're gonna miss the 4-hour. Now we have stacked SMTs everywhere. We swept. I haven't swept Asia. We have triple lows. Triple stacked lows, okay. Mm. Hmm. Okay. So we might leave Asia and continue higher from here. I want to see how we react here. This 5-minute OB right here in the middle. Nice 15-minute gap that we could probably leave all the way up here. Change state and delivery. I don't know where we could deliver this shit from. Shit isn't strong enough for me, bro, honestly speaking. Actually, boom, breaker. Nah, it's just a big blob on the downside. Still didn't even touch the 4-hour, neither did ES. ES is delivering from this 15-minute gap, though. I don't like how we just closed there. We're gonna go lower. That low. I don't think we're gonna retap that low. And on the shorts now. To the 4-hour CE, bro. Targeting 4-hour CE. Need more volume. Need more volume to the downside. I am out here, and that's about it. Calling it a day. Well done. Well done. Keep going. Well done. Keep going. called it a day there. I made 450. I called it a day there. Right at the high on the pullback. 30-second. Really should have held realistically. Up 450. Gonna de-risk now. 5 minute with 3 micros. I'll go with 3 micros for the rest of the day. I should have held for the CE. Should have held for the CE. Oh well. Not complaining though. It's 30-second failed. So look, I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. We're here at 30-second failed. To continue and break this, change state of delivery. Plus there was like a 1 minute gap here. Boom, rejected. Saw the inversion here, right here, this candle. So about here. And TP right here. Was in with 20 micros. This was my stop, and that's about it. Honestly, my TP was here. I should have held it. It's probably we're gonna touch it right now. Who knows? We could honestly bounce. 10 a.m. hasn't even came out yet, so see how it goes. Might just go on evals for the rest of the day, low key. We are here on Top Step just to slow grind this shit up. I'm not here for the payouts. I'm here to slow grind this shit up. Gotta be a natural little bitch. Yeah, I'm fucking that hoe on a B-day. I'ma rock on stage, my eyes so red. Yeah, fuck what she say. Could print out a breaker from here, honestly. 1 or 2 minute breaker all the way to this. A 5 minute gap got respected here. Breaker. Again, I'm not gonna take a trade. We'll wait. Gonna wait and see what we do at midnight. There, 15-minute gap. Yep, 15-minute gap all the way up here. Oh, this looks nice. eval. I'm on eval. 15-minute is at 684. 684. I'm in again. I'll sell one here as well. Just to secure some P's. I'm on an eval trade to the upside just for that aiming for McModel 15-minute right there. Aiming for this 15-minute gap and on evals. 15. Boom, going up 700. Take out these relative equal highs. Take out these relative equal highs. No, take out the relative equal highs. Come on. You already embraced this huge leg. Take out relative equal highs. In the position still on the eval. Secured good P so far. Boom, upper rack, closed it, done for the day. Well done, skis. And done for the day. This would have been a really good trade on funded. We're tapping into the 15-minute, plus we're below midnight level. And this 1-minute gap is going to tell a story now. Hold on. Boom, up 1,000 on this eval. These are past 30, this is still eval, so. And there, we took out relative equal highs, dumping slowly. Fwah. Again, let's look at the hourly. Damn slot. Oops. Alright, so we're going down to AM low. We are going down. We are going down to AM lows. Because this is a really strong inversion. Alright, let me close this.
See how we close right now. 950 macro. I'm still just watching. That's what I was saying. We're at a 4-hour BPR right now, actually, if we think about it. So we could V-shape higher, but we're under the midnight level open. till 10 o'clock. I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock. I gotta see if something appears. If not, and $36 plus 20. D3.
Yes, sweep. Playing 5-minute continuations. Alright, I'm gonna play. Wow. No wick back up. No wick up to the upside. Nope. Alright. My target is this London low now. Bro, this is just disgusting. I'm in with 3 micros into London lows. Only 3 micros into London lows, just because we got this nice 1 minute pullback. Trailing. Boom. Out of that. Wanted us to go lower, but I was trailing it. This could be a nice 1 minute breaker that could play out. No, not even close. Alright, let's see. Just missed the -2. This 5 minute just open. We might get another 5 minute gap. Continuous lower. I don't like the way. We might actually tap into this 5 minute gap. Could honestly just I'm in Q-type, that's what it was. That was fucking foul. Pull back, bro. I'm gonna wait for this 2 minutes because we might just chop. Honestly, we might just chop. Don't like how close we are to that London draw. Yeah, no. There's a 5 minute gap up there. Alright, cool. There's a 5 minute gap up here. Boom, we just tapped to that 5 minute gap. Yeah, 500's getting tapped. Yeah, it's gonna get tagged. Alright, yeah, we might just tap the 0.6. Might just tap this 5 minute equilibrium's here. Not even equilibrium isn't even at the 4 hour gap. Create a 5 minute BPR, then we tag into it. 5 minute SMT. SMT for continuation. Hold that, don't go lower. Yes. I'm looking to slam this shit, bro. Yeah, pull back. We get a 30-second pullback. Slamming that. 3 micros. Into London low. I'm in this into London low. 5-minute SMT. 1-minute IFEG right here. Continuation model. Down into London lows. Let's see. Break even past this right here. Let's go with speed. Well done. Well done. Break even. Break even on the trade now. Oh, at the lows, I'm taking it out at the lows right here. Take out that low and we're good. Boom, TP got hit. Up 550 for the day. Thumbs up. London could have been the throw, but who cares? 550 for the day, calling it quits. Locked myself out of every account. Done. It was from right here. Got tapped in. Target with this low. Alright. I was playing a 1-to-1. More than enough, honestly speaking. Continuation model. Now I'm done for the day. Calling it. Done for the day. On 550. 2.2. Great week so far. Yeah, bro, this day was. I almost got stookied. But I'm gonna keep grinding the accounts. Might not trade tomorrow. Bringing my mom to the doctor's appointment, so don't think I'm gonna trade. Oh yeah. We'll see how it goes. Great momentum right there. 8,000 on this account now. Perfect. Eval, boom. 150k advanced. I might just get full Evo on 50ks on alpha 50ks. I just traded like 5 micros.